is part 3. I'm going to open Rarity, and here she is with the others. Don't mind with the ribbon parts. And here my full set. But looking inside, ta-da! You like it? There's a crown and her headphone, but the crown doesn't. The crown doesn't even go with the set. I just put it there. And here's my complete set. And also about the backstage passes. So I already showed you these 3, and here are my backstage passes. My backstage passes: Rarity, Rainbow Dash, Applejack, Pinkie Pie, Twilight, and sorry. I'm just kidding, okay? And here's Portia. And that's my complete set of My Little Pony Equestria Girls. Equestria Girls. I love that song. So bye-bye! Happy birthday to me because today is my birthday!